Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to tie my gele, or I'll be taking you along on how I tied my gele. So Bookie Flair is the one tying my gele, and she's just splitting it into three right now, and she placed it on my head and told me to hold it because definitely she needed an assistant. So now she's doing the cross sign with the gele. So you take the right hand and collect it with your left hand as she's doing right now. So it can form like a cross sign, and she's just trying to adjust it right now, and she told me to hold it. So she's splitting it again, I guess one, two, and three. Yeah. So she pleated it again, then she's adjusting. I guess she wanted it very smooth. Guys, just watch what she did, and I'll be getting a better angle soon, so just hold on so I can show you in full. Yeah, so she just started pleating again from the back. Guys, I'm trying my best right here to get you guys a proper angle. Bookie Alpha, shift now, soon segbe, so saying, let them see what you're doing. As a proper Yoruba babe, you have to represent. This is a much better angle. Yes, I guess she's doing it like a fan. Yeah. Another one. Yeah, the same thing she did in the first one. That's what she'll be doing in the second one. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So guys, can you see that she crossed it again? She pleated it again and again until she got that fan type of gele. Now here we are here, and she crossed it again. Yes. So I don't think this is fangidi, because I know fangidi is always on one side and not on both sides. So right now we are just looking at it and trying to leverage it and see, because the other side is bigger. This side is bigger than the other side. So she told someone to hold it. So I'm fine. So she held this and she's trying to get the hands. Don't forget that we crossed the two hands to the back so she can tie the hand. So that's what she's doing right now, trying to, I don't know what to call it, roll the hand of the first one and also roll the hand of the second one and tighten it and tie it. And she has tied it, and she has not used any pin right now, but I guess she's still going to use about 3 to 4 pins. I don't know. Guys, can you see now she's adjusting the back because this side looks bigger than the other side, so she's trying to adjust it from the back by drawing the hand. Now it's getting smaller and finer, because I'm not the bride, so I don't want that big gele. I really don't like it if you're not the bride, but some people are extra and you can be extra. There's nothing wrong with being extra, but I just wanted to go with something small. So this is how it's going to look like, and she wants to get the pen to hold it down. I was telling her to adjust it to the back, and she told me to just leave it since my edges are showing already. Guys, I'm trying to wear my earring while she went to get the pin from the other room. And now, okay, she's back, and I told Tani Mola to help me remove my earring. So she pinned the front, if you can see clearly that she pinned the front, and now she's going to the back to also like pin it so everything can be neat. Guys, look at my makeup. I did this myself. See how pretty I look. I'm not even trying to whine myself, but myself, I try, and I know that I try. But anyways, she's just trying to pin it down, and Fanny is still struggling with my other side of the earrings. I don't know why. I don't remove my earrings. I don't even wear long earrings. I don't even change them. Once I just get a earring, I put it for a long time, and now that one is getting, I'm finding it so difficult to remove it, guys. So she's done with my gele at this point, and she's just trying to arrange it. So now I already kept the one here, and this particular one did not want to remove. Like, I'm struggling with it right now. So now I have to go to the wedding with just one hair. Guys, can you see? Guys, tell me in the comment section, what is your favorite part of this entire look? I will be waiting for your comments. Thank